Well, hey, welcome to Throttle Power. I'm going to do a video that's been requested by a few people on how good are these 3D parts. I got two big boxes right here, loaded. I think you might be surprised on whether they're good or bad. I actually bought these so I can tell the truth on them. The reason I did buy these is I'm getting ready to start on the big 1/12 scale Camaro. I did a review on it, kind of an unboxing a while back. I'll link that video at the end of this video. You can check out the unboxing. It's a great kit. I highly recommend you guys get this kit while it's still out, while it's still at a low price too, because once this thing's off the market, you know it's going to skyrocket well over 100, 200 bucks. Jump on this while you can. But anyway, I picked up some special parts for it. I wanted to get some Kragers for it. You know, I'm a Krager guy, and that's what was in one of these boxes, along with a ton of other stuff. These boxes are packed. I'm going to get everything unboxed. I'm going to show you these 3D parts. I'm going to show you up close. Enough of the chin music. Let's get the camera turned around, and we're going to see if these parts are any good or not. These are MCV products, and what I really like about MCV products is that free shipping over 50 bucks. It's easy to spend over 50 bucks. Let me show you why and how. I picked up some 20-inch old school Steelies. I'll give you a close-up view on all this stuff so you can check out the detail. Really impressed with these Steelies. Nice tread pattern. They're going to be really cool to paint and clean up and look really nice. And one thing is great, there's not much cleanup. Picked up these cool looking Mutter tires. I thought those were pretty aggressive looking. There they are, again, straight out of the package. I haven't done anything to any of this stuff but pull out of the package so you can check out the detail. Really impressed with the rims and the tread pattern on the tires. Picked up some of these torque thrust wheels. Can't go wrong with torque thrusts. There they are, straight off the tree. Haven't done anything except just show you close-up details. They're going to be easy to paint and detail, and then paint your tires and put them together. There's those big Kragers I've got for that big 1/12 scale Camaro I'm wanting to start. Found those tires and wheels for that big Camaro. Really anxious to start that. Picked up this dually set of tires and wheels, and I'm really glad I did. I think I'm going to get another set of these dualies. I was very impressed with them. And you can never have enough dually sets of tires and wheels, especially if you like building dually trucks. Or I'm kind of thinking maybe the Mobius Wrecker kit. Those might go on. Very nice detail. Love those dually tires and wheels. Pretty impressed. These Rocket Igniter vintage Firestones are my favorite. I love these. I'm kind of old school. In fact, well, I am old school. And the tires and wheels in this package just scream old school cool. Look at that. That is nice. That's going to look good painted up too. And again, straight out of the package. Here's some 20-inch Chevy Steelies. I'm a Mopar guy, and I'm impressed with these. Nice steel wheels to paint. You can do that cap up, stick that cap in there. It'll be easy to do. Those are going to look great on any Chevy vehicle. I'm kind of thinking maybe a C10 or something, maybe a 60 C10 lowered down. These Colts Michelin sport wheels and tires, those are pretty cool. I thought those kind of screamed cool school. And these are my favorite tires and wheels, this set here. In fact, this is my second set I bought. There's my first set that I've already painted and done up. That's what they look like done. So super impressed with those tires and wheel sets. That's why I ordered another set. Ordered several brake sets. I pulled them all out of the package, just stuck them in a big package. There they are up close. Everything's drilled out. You got your slots on your brakes, which is cool. These exhaust cutouts, these exhaust pieces go on your fenders for like turbo cars and stuff, where you'd see the exhaust coming out of the front fender. Those are really nice. I've scratch built those before, and I had a day in scratch building it with bolt detail. Heck with that, I'm buying it. Your foot pedals. Can't go wrong with your foot pedal, man. It screams 70s. Love the foot pedals. And for $2, can't go wrong with it. Here's another thing that was cool for $2. The battery terminal set. Great detail for $2. You can't scratch build that, especially for $2. And you get 4 cars worth. These risers that go underneath your carburetors. Another thing I've scratch built in the past, won't do that again. I'll just pick these up. There's your height differences. You get 3 different heights differences that goes under a carburetor. And there they are, the carburetor spacers for $2. Can't beat it. Sometimes you got to spend $2 to save 6 hours of scratch building. Oh, the traction bars. Love these. Love these. You can't have enough traction bars. You know, I'm old school cool with Kragers and stuff and that rear end jacked up. I've scratch built traction bars. Never again. I'll buy the traction bars from MCV products. These are nice. They're completely hollow inside. There's the front. You see the rubber stub on the front also, the bolt detail. There's the back. You can see how it's hollow. Here's even a close-up view on how hollow they are. Very nicely done on the traction bars. Love those. That's actually one of my favorite buys of the traction bars. So glad I got several of them. Old school cool. Speaking of old school cool, check out this 6-cylinder. This old Chevy vintage 6-cylinder. Pretty impressed with the detail on this. I pulled them pictures off the website. That's how it looks done up. I just pulled mine out of the package and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Very impressed with the detail. Again, I'm not sponsored by MCV products. I purchased all this stuff, so I'm giving an honest review, and I want to show you guys just how cool this stuff is because I think you'll like it. Well, what'd you think about the MCV products? Those 3D printed parts I thought are super nice. Again, I was able to do an honest review on them because I actually purchased them, so I can tell you whether they're junk or not. They're all mine. And if something's not bad, I'm not going to show it or I'll let people know. And if something's good, I'll share it out there and let you guys know it's good. Again, take advantage of some of those parts that I showed that are only a couple bucks. Throw those in on your order. And again, the thing I like best about this company, besides the good quality, is the email response back saying they got the order, the email response with a tracking number, and the email response with, hey, it's been sent, and everything else. But great company to deal with. MCV products, I think, is going to go a long ways. Really like them. Pretty excited. Excited about my Camaro. We'll see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.